Okay guys, we're back on the diet again. I hate diets. But today we're cheating a little bit. We sneaked out for the beer. Just one can of Amstel. I just got to have one. It's boiling hot here in Spain today. Absolute boiling hot. It's 40 plus today. Yeah, there's a weather warning out, a red weather warning out for the heat today, and the storm's coming in, say 5 o'clock. I wonder if we'll get this storm. We promised a storm all week, so yeah. Get out what I can. Have a sneaky beer while Sue's not about. Yeah, do a little video, and do a couple of videos, and then we'll get back. So yeah, back on the diet. What I'm trying to do is lose a bit of this belly fat. It's not going well this year. It starts off great and then I just lose it. When it starts getting hot, I'll just lose it a bit. Lack of exercise then, and yeah. I'm in the pool every day, but the pool's just like a hot bath now. It's absolutely terrible. Yeah, it's hardly worth going in really, but the showers are nice and cold, mind. Do a good shower first, then in the pool, then another good cold shower, and yeah. You still can't sleep at night. I mean, last 3 nights now, about 4 hours, 3.5 hours, and last night I had about an hour and a half. But hey, we're still going. Must be something to being older, yeah. You're supposed to sleep more when you get older, I would have thought. That's what they've always told me. But now, I am sleeping less. Hopefully tonight will be a good night and I'll get 4 or 5 hours maybe. I don't know. Should have a couple of beers before I go to bed, shouldn't I? No, I'm doing this, doing like 16-hour fast as well, so I can eat from 11 o'clock in the morning to 7 at night, and it's going to take a bit of getting used to again, but it does get rid of a bit of this, so that's the aim, isn't it? You won't recognise me by Christmas, and then by summer. Yeah. So guys, just a quick update to what's going on today. See you on the next one, don't miss it.